Early pre-production Broncos complete production roll-off. The Michigan assembly line. Now, 2021 early pre-production Ford Broncos rolled off the Michigan assembly line. Now, this happened on a Monday morning after completing the first tool testing run. These photos are exclusively captured by the Bronco Nation. Show the different base trims. 2-door base trim, 4-door Badlands trim, completion of their inaugural journey through the historic facility. Both vehicles feature the 2.3 variant engine. The 4-door model rocks the Badland trim, 10-speed automatic transmission, mold and color hardtop, and the painted Oxford white. The 2-door, on the other hand, is a base trim level. Example with a 7-speed manual transmission, hardtop, and iconic silver paint job. But this is just the assembly line, folks. Pics. These pics are for you to enjoy, take a look at, and we'll reminisce about the Ford Bronco as we go through these pics. In these photos, you'll see the finalized vehicle coming off the line, as well as the Badland bodies being attached to the chassis and powertrain. And then you'll see also the interior photos. You see the navigation system and everything else being set up. This is the heart of the Bronco. Appreciate these pics. Now, the early pre-production vehicles used by Ford engineers to conduct further durability and reliability testing, bring enthusiasts one step closer to having one of these vehicles in their driveway. Feel free to visit the Bronco Nation forums. The beautiful Bronco lighting system. As you can see, this is the tire mounting system, the drills. You get to see what your Bronco's made of. There's an estimated 2,000 factory workers that begin the official build of the pre-production model of the all-new 2021 Ford Bronco SUV at the Michigan Assembly Plant in Wayne, Michigan. And the white and silver vehicles just rolled off the line. This all was taking place about 7:50 a.m. in the morning. Now, the process is critical to a successful launch. If tests every element of the build process to make sure there are no hiccups. These are the vehicles that will test out the manufacturing tooling, refine the assembly process, and ensure high quality. All with the plan to create flawless Ford Broncos, said Mike Levine, Ford North America Product Communication Manager. The two vehicles together took an estimated 13 hours total on the assembly line. Now, the first early pre-production 2021 Ford Broncos on the assembly line. Now, the image was taken on a Tuesday, that's September 22nd, 2020, at the Michigan Assembly Plant in Wayne, Michigan. brought to you by Bronco Nation, which is basically a Ford-owned social forum. This is the first Bronco that has gone down the assembly line since the last Bronco, and that was back in 1996. If all 150,000 people who placed a $100 refundable reservation, actually being 230,000, actually purchased the iconic vehicle, it could mean more than $1 billion for Ford. So imagine taking that to your lender and telling them to give me a loan. This is basically pure insanity, folks. The truck is definitely going to be a game changer, said Lorena Smith, a utility technician on the assembly line. A game changer for real. She knows what she's talking about, Miss Maria Smith. Or Lorena Smith. Loreno Smith, that is. Now, Rough Road Inspector Jamie Baxendale said, "We are all super excited to be building the Bronco. As for me, I'll be getting a two-door Badland edition." The first early pre-production 2021 Ford Bronco on the assembly line. This is just awesome, folks. Does this connect you to the brand or what? Now, orders may be placed as soon as December. The Bronco will be shipped to dealerships in the spring of 2021. Now, Ford predicts the new Bronco will eat Jeep lunch and lure customers from FCA. Ford declares war with the all-new Bronco as a Jeep Wrangler demand spikes. As the Ford Bronco Nation presence grows on social media, wannabe owners say they can't wait to close the deal. Mike Arnoldchuk, 34, a government consultant who lives in Arlington, Virginia, said he placed his reservation on July 14th, and the coronavirus pandemic has only made him want the vehicle more. He is looking at one in Cactus Gray. Great pick, Mike. That caught me at a really good time, he told the Free Press on Wednesday. I have a 4-year-old daughter and a son who just turned 1. I've had a commuter sedan for 5 years, and I was just looking for a car with more space. Always liked the retro Broncos. Now, while a Jeep was part of the initial plan, the 4-door Broncos seemed perfect, Mike said. I have 2 kids, a wife and a dog, being cooped up in a house all the time. Now we're wanting to make plans for just getting out there, exploring, heading down Shenandoah Valley, getting my kids into the hiking and camping and skiing. And what an awesome vehicle to choose to do that. Enjoy life to the fullest and get out there and breathe that fresh air. And let the wind blow in your hair and let the rain fall on your face. What a beautiful moment. And the Ford Bronco is a part of that experience. Take off the top, feel the air. Straight up awesomeness. Can't say much more. He added, I never thought I'd kind of be a car guy, but since I reserved the car, or the SUV, I've been pumped up. Steve McCreddick, 45, is a real estate agent in Bentonville, Arkansas, who has eyes on the antimatter blue 4-door Bronco. He placed an order on July 2, right after the big reveal. I wasn't able to get it immediately, but I made it within the 24 hours. Boy, families are just waiting with eyes of expectation and to get out there and enjoy life and enjoy nature, touch the trees, get some dirt in your fingernails, smell it, take a smell of it, watch out for the red ants because they bite like hell, and just enjoy life. It's just awesomeness, folks. Now you have Ford, a four-door Jeep Wrangler, but it developed the notorious death wobble. I've got 2 kids, and there's no way I'm going down a highway with this happening, the critic said. It rocks the steering wheel back and forth. It feels like it's going to go off the road. It's not troubling unless you're doing 70 down the interstate, and then it's terrifying. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And what a way to beat that wobble. With a Ford Bronco. You made the right choice. And a convertible option for this baby? It does nothing but sweeten the deal. For my credit, I've got 2 girls, 5 and 11, Piper and Charlotte. We'll be going camping and overlanding and weekending type of stuff. Going out there, enjoying life and just living it to the fullest. Enjoy your family, enjoy your wife, enjoy your children. And what a way to do it. In a 2021 Ford Bronco. What a choice. As of Wednesday afternoon, the assembly line was rolling on schedule and continuing the works of the perfect Bronco build. It's an exhilarating feeling to see years of planning by the Ford team finally come together, said plant manager Eric Williams. It's an honor to build one of the most iconic brands in our legacy. Ford designer daughter colored his top secret Bronco sketches, and it sparked an idea. Well, so much awesomeness, folks. So much material, so much stuff to bring to the table. Boy, I'm gonna have to jump that table, and I can't wait to jump it, but I just have to wait a few minutes. Not a few minutes, but the time has to be right. The Ford Bronco is a great choice. Great quality product, and everything, not only that, it's made in America, folks. There's a connection. This silver Bronco, it just hits every spot, folks. This is the assembly line, folks. Grow close to the Bronco as you look at these pics, because look in your driveway. Yours is coming. Might be 2-3 years down the road, and might be even next year. Until then, God bless. Have an awesome day. Thank you for coming to the channel. Much love. Stay safe and stay strong.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.